Enthusiast Gaming Holdings Inc. Let's go! You know what time it is. Up 14%. Who brought this pick to you guys first? Honestly though. I mean, EGHIF in America. Look at the stochastics and the MACD pointing up. Look at the Bollinger Bands pointing right up. I mean, all we do is bring you hits and picks. I mean, look at this. Oh my goodness. Gaming is on full alert. Enthusiast Gaming Holdings Inc. is on full alert. It's on a full alert. Oh my goodness, it's at the top. It is a buy on TradingView. It is in the gaming business. And we just try to bring you the winners first. It's true. If you're not watching, you're not winning. Because your boy, we got all the hits, man. And we got the picks. Enthusiast Gaming Holdings Inc. I brought this to you guys when I was on the beach. Chilling on the beach. Finding winners. I didn't forget about it. Oh, and it's up 37%. That's right. In the last 3 weeks. How about the last 3 months? Up 62%. I think this deserves a full alert. What do you guys think? It is a gaming giant, and it is on full alert. This stock needed a full alert song. I mean, it has been a beast. And look at this. I just keep reading more, and I just get more and more excited. Look at this. Check this out. Enthusiast Gaming hires U.S. sales team and opens San Francisco office. This is the news that is trending. Enthusiast Gaming Holdings Inc., EGLX, EGHIF, a gaming company building the world's largest community of authentic gamers, is pleased to announce that it has opened a US-based office and hired a sales team to drive advertising sales and increase annual revenue. The US-based sales team is based in San Francisco and will be responsible for leading North American sales. This expands the company's current reach with a sales team in San Francisco, London, UK, and the corporate head office in Toronto. I can't explain to you how big this is. Okay, as a guy that's from Toronto, to be able to expand your business into America, like San Francisco, where so much big business is being done every day, this is huge, okay? The company kicked off the opening of the sales office with a West Coast advertising roadshow, meeting with top gaming publishers, global brands, and media agencies. Over half of Enthusiast's network website traffic originates from the US, and with the recent Omnia Media partnership, which is just gigantic, Enthusiast also represents the largest YouTube gaming MCN multi-channel network with 900 YouTube channels and an additional 50 million monthly visitors. That's right, 50 million monthly visitors. That's a big number. I mean, it's a big number. I don't know. For a dollar stock? For a $1 stock, eh? Which happens to be up 14% today. Why I gave you guys a full alert. You know, because I just felt like it deserved a full alert because it's been up, like I said, 37% in the last month and 62% in the last 3 months. And I actually have never heard anyone else talk about the stock. So I thought, well, why don't I just be the first, right? The expansion to the US is an important catalyst for growth to capitalize on Enthusiast's growing network and provides availability and access to a number of significant advertising partners based in California. Massive. Massive. California has the population of Canada. Forget Toronto. The decision to open up an office in San Francisco was a logical step in our business growth strategy, said Eric Bernofsky, COO of Enthusiast Gaming. A large number of ad agencies and game publishers are located on the West Coast, and it's critical that we meet clients where they live to service them most effectively, Bernofsky concluded. To date, most of Enthusiast's revenue generated has been from programmatic advertising. The launch of the West Coast office will allow the company to monetize website traffic more efficiently and effectively through direct brand and agency relationships. One of the gaming industry's fastest growing companies with a significant network of gamers around the world, Enthusiast enables brands and agencies to reach a prime target audience through various advertising tactics, online and offline. Enthusiast has partnered with some of the world's leading brands, including Activision Blizzard, Nintendo, Bell, and Microsoft, and deploying a sales team with drive engagement and continue to build important brand relationships. About Enthusiast, founded in 2014, Enthusiast is the fastest growing community of video gamers. And I'll be honest with you, being a parent and seeing how much my son loves gaming with all his friends and how it's interactive and they can get on the microphone and talk with their friends as they're playing Fortnite, I just have an affinity to gaming. The same way I have an affinity to cannabis companies because I just feel like it's a hot sector. I believe like this will be a massive hot sector. Through the company's unique acquisition strategy, it has a platform of over 80 owned and affiliated websites, reaching over 75 million monthly visitors and 900 YouTube channels, and an additional 50 million monthly visitors. Enthusiast also owns and operates Canada's largest gaming expo, Enthusiast Gaming Live Expo, EGLX, EGLX.ca, with over 55,000 people attending in 2018. For more information on the company, visit enthusiastgaming.com. So that's the news that I saw today that got my attention, and then I look and I'm like, oh, and it's up 14%. So let's just mark this. Now, guys, remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your own due diligence. Always do your own research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. I do not own shares in Enthusiast Gaming. I'm looking at them. I'm very interested in them. I'm wanting to watch their trading pattern and their tendencies before I jump in. But I am very interested in the company as a whole, and it has been climbing. So definitely something I'm interested in buying. If I do buy it, I will let you know. But I do not currently own any shares in Enthusiast Gaming. You know, it's funny. You guys ask me if I buy shares. I talk about stocks every day. I'm not going to buy shares in every single stock I talk about. I literally talk about stocks every single day, like hundreds of companies. I'm not going to be buying every single stock I talk about. But there's going to be a lot of companies that are going to be watching, and I'm going to like them. And I will buy them. And if I do buy them, I'll let you know. But I haven't bought this one yet, but I'm very interested in it. And it has been doing extremely well, obviously, since I've been talking about it. So, you know, the key here is to really identify the bottoms and learn to buy those dips. And if you can learn to do that, and you can learn how to find the bottom, and whenever you see it goes down and it's a buying opportunity, you buy it, and then you see it jumps up on some big news and you sell it, that's how you really make money trading. And you don't have to do it that way. You can long trade, buy it, and just hold it long term. But if you want to day trade, my strategy is when you see 10% or more returns, and you see that the stock is not going to continue to go up, it starts to come back down, take your profit and run. If you see that you're at 10% or more returns and it keeps going higher, then you may want to just hold and see how high it goes. Like, here's a great example. It's up 14%, but the indicators are showing a lot of power here. So I don't know if I'd be selling if I was holding this right now based on the indicators pointing straight up. I mean, the MACD is pointing straight up. So this has got a lot of power. So I wouldn't be surprised if this goes higher just by looking at it. I'm not going to bet on it, but I wouldn't be surprised if it does. All right, and let's see here. So you can see here that there is so much interest in gaming, and gaming is becoming a huge business. Huge business. And there's literally, like, look at this, 200 million viewers all at one time watching the World 2018 Grand Final. Like, this is becoming huge. Gaming is becoming huge. Discover the red-hot market that counts Drake and Michael Jordan as early investors, and Goldman Sachs recently predicted is going to quickly surpass Major League Baseball and the NHL in viewership. Like, this is not a joke, okay? And to be able to get in at $1 when nobody even knows this exists yet, and these guys already have one of the largest networks in the world, like 50 million active subscribers on YouTube alone, like, that is an enormous, enormous network. And I just see this company potentially being a giant, right? Like, look at this. Led in particular by esports, the market is video gaming. The rapid growth has been experienced, has financial reporter Chris Parry, who first picked up on the rising popularity of pod investing, saying that it sounds familiar, right? Saying that the video gaming is now what pot was back in 2015. This is what I'm trying to say. Like, I see a lot of similarities. And think about it. More and more people will be able to smoke pot as it becomes legal while they're playing games. So it just kind of comes together. In other words, him and other industry experts believe that this market and companies like Enthusiast Gaming, EGLX, EGHIF are set to see rapid growth in the future. Already, Michael Jordan has invested in esports startup AXiomatic Gaming, which owns the professional gaming franchise Team Liquid. Also, Canadian rap giant Drake has acquired co-ownership of 100 Thieves, a lifestyle apparel and esports company. These two entrepreneurs are not the only early investors. New England Patriots owner Robert Kraft, New York Mets executive Jeff Wilpon, and LA Rams owner Stan Kroenke have all invested in Activision Blizzard's new Overwatch Esports League. This is what success leaves clues, right? You got all these successful entrepreneurs dumping their money into gaming. All of this growth and investment in video gaming is good news for Enthusiast Gaming, which is currently the largest independent online gaming network in North America. And they're trading at $1.14 now. So this is why I wanted to bring this to your guys' attention. And you can see here on TradingView that it is a buy on the technical analysis. So seems to be very interesting. And it's pretty much still a brand new company. I mean, look at this. It opened up on October 26th. So, I mean, this is just brand new. This is just a baby. So this just pretty much just opened up. And this is a baby. And it's been open for about 3 months. And it started high, came back down. It started to climb back up. So the question is, will we continue to see this momentum, or will we see it fall back down? I just feel like these numbers are staggering. Esports is quickly becoming one of the largest spectator sports in the world, with the global audience expected to total 456 million in 2019. Earlier this year, Goldman Sachs made a head-turning prediction. Esports will soon surpass Major League Baseball and National Hockey League in viewership numbers and match even the NFL's much vaunted audience figures in 5 short years. I mean, that's the NFL is huge. NFL is so big. So big. It's just crazy. And with a global audience expected to total 456 million in 2019. That is so big. Like, that's huge. Goldman Sachs cited Newzoo's latest global esports market report, which reported that the global esports economy will grow to 905.6 million this year, a 38% year-over-year increase with a global audience of 380 million, comprising 165 million enthusiasts and 250 million casual viewers. Wow. It's nuts. But even with all the recent growth, the video gaming market is still young and flying somewhat under the radar. But that won't last for much longer. It is projected that the global gaming market will generate up to 150 billion in revenue in 2019. Wow. That like dwarfs what cannabis is generating in revenue, I believe. I mean, legally. Those numbers are just totally insane. How many shares do they have out? That's a good question. Let me take a look. Very good question. Let's take a look. EGHIF. On the OTCQB, market cap of 34 million. So I believe the security details are actually quite tight. There it is. So the outstanding shares is unlimited. The authorized shares, sorry, is unlimited, but the outstanding shares currently is at 44,666,000, which is extremely tight. And the float is at only 25 million shares in the float. Yeah, and it's crazy because my son plays Fortnite and it's a free game and all of his friends play Fortnite and they all sit there and talk to each other and hang out and crack jokes. He even tries to tell me that he's doing his homework while playing Fortnite with his friends. They're teaching him how to do homework while playing Fortnite. I mean, this is the future. I see it. So I just see something here and I just feel like this could be an explosive opportunity. And we need to find these types of hidden gems, right? We need to find these diamonds in the rough. That's what this is about. That's what Rich TV Live is all about. We're all about just coming together to find winners, you know, and try to find those undiscovered monsters. Like, look at this. Analysts are now calling esports and e-gaming the greatest investment opportunity of the past few years, and the proof is in the threat it possesses to competitors. In a recent letter to shareholders, Netflix wrote, "We compete with and lose to Fortnite more than HBO." Think about that. And I'm telling you, my own son is playing Fortnite with his friends every day, and they're on it. Okay? I have friends who tell me they have to take the Fortnite away from their kids. It's crazy. Okay? Fortnite ranked in a massive 2.4 billion in digital revenue last year. 2.4 billion for a game that's free. How do they do it? They make money on their skins. So for you to be able to actually wear a cool outfit with your guy that's fighting and shooting, you have to pay for it. So for example, my son and his friends, they all buy skins and they spend a lot of money on skins. My son wants skins for Christmas. He wants them for his Christmas present. They want skins. Fortnite is genius. The game is free, but if you want to look cool with all your friends, you got to buy the skins. That's genius, okay? Which ranked in a massive 2.4 billion in digital revenue last year and is one of the fastest growing games of all time. That's right. Fortnite is one of the fastest growing games of all time. So people that are trying to be like, oh, Fortnite is dying off. Yo, it's not dying off, eh? Have evolved into a popular spectator sport where gaming enthusiasts spend hours watching others play online. It's true. They don't even play. They watch them play. Major streaming companies such as Netflix are now in competition for screen time with esports, and they're worried that the growing youth demographic is starting to find their primary source of entertainment from YouTube or Amazon. It's true. Or Amazon's Twitch. I don't really use Twitch much, but I know that Twitch is very big for gaming. Chinese social media giant Tencent Holdings, TSXV, EGHY, which holds a 40% stake in Epic Games, Fortnite's developer, plans to invest $150 million a year in esports, an industry that's already generated up to $1 billion revenue for Activision Blizzard Inc, ATVI. And I'll tell you, some of these companies are priced like, take a look at this. It's nuts. You want to see how big Activision is? $43.99. So just imagine if we can get into Enthusiast Gaming at $1 and down the road one day it's at $43. I mean, it's going to happen. I mean, you heard it here first from your boy Rich. I mean, this is what we do. This is what we do, guys, okay? I do the research, you know, and with your help, you know, let me know if I'm wrong, if I'm not finding some gold here, you know? Like, look at everybody that's involved. Drake, Michael Jordan, Super Bowl champion Kraft. Drake and Scooter Braun invest in esports company 100 Thieves. Look at this. Like, this is everywhere, guys. Like, this news is everywhere, okay? So, in November 2017, former professional gamer Matt Nadeshot Haig took to his YouTube channel, okay? What is this? Pop-ups, man. It's crazy pop-ups. Took to his YouTube channel to announce that his apparel company, 100 Thieves, received a multi-million-dollar investment from Cleveland Cavaliers and Quicken Loans owner Dan Gilbert, allowing him to expand into a full-fledged esports organization. Less than a year later, 100 Thieves is one of the fastest rising brands in the industry, and Haig is partnering with a few more notable names. Oh yeah, just a few. 100 Thieves announced Tuesday that it completed its Series A funding round, which was co-led by SB Projects founder Scooter Braun and Grammy-winning artist Drake, who both become co-owners. Braun, who represents artists like Justin Bieber and Ariana Grande, also joins the company's board. Including in the round is Sequoia Capital, Wonderco, Mark Beneff, Drew Houston, Green Bay Ventures, Teo Capital, and Advancit Capital. Along with last year's investment, 100 Thieves now has $25 million in total funding, and the new influx of capital will go towards building out its content team, acquiring new talent, and continuing to expand its apparel line. What attracted Braun and Drake was Haig's broader scope for the organization. While other esports companies pivot to style themselves as lifestyle brands, 100 Thieves began with it in mind. The company does design and production in-house, and all 4 of its apparel drops thus far have sold out in less than 20 minutes. Wow, that's amazing. He has a clear vision where esports is going and how to build an amazing brand within it, and that's why I wanted to bet on him and 100 Thieves, Scooter Braun says. Haig himself has built up his own personal brand as Nadeshot, with 3.1 million followers on YouTube and 2.4 million on Twitter. In building 100 Thieves, he wants to enable his players to do the same for themselves, a skill he hopes to learn from his new co-owner, Braun. I mean, this news just keeps coming, guys. Like, look at this. Success leaves clues, eh? I want to find you guys the best companies. That's it. That's all I want to do here. This looks to me like it could be one of the best. And I'm just bringing you guys evidence, right? I'm trying to bring you guys evidence. I'm trying to bring you guys proof. I'm trying to show you guys, you know, like this is crazy. I want to take a look at Tencent. TCE. Tencent Holdings. $43. Jesus, they're all at $43. My goodness. This is crazy. This news is nuts. It's pretty nuts. Obviously, we know Amazon's at a ridiculous price. And what else do they talk about? Netflix. We know Netflix is at a ridiculous price. So if you're going to compare, I mean, if you're going to start putting them in the same sentence, it's pretty crazy. So, but for those who want to get in early on esports gold rush, investors should look at Enthusiast Gaming, who has managed to capture the largest gaming network in North America in 3 short years. And they're priced at $1. And then there's other companies that are not as big as them that are priced at $43. They might be making more revenue than them, but they don't capture as big of a market as Enthusiast Gaming is. So what's Enthusiast Gaming going to generate once they start to monetize their network? Billions. And we're still able to get in at $1. I mean, this is like a gift from the gods, as far as I'm concerned. I don't know. I'd like to know what you guys think. No, 100 Thieves is not related to EGLX. They're just in the same industry. They're just in the same industry. What they're doing in this article is they're trying to show you essentially the type of competitors that Enthusiast Gaming is competing with in the marketplace and what prices those are trading at. And as you can see, some of the other competitors that are monsters, that are giants, are trading at over $40. And we see here that Enthusiast Gaming is trading at $1. But they just went public like 3 months ago. So obviously they're just getting started. Nobody even knows this company exists. This is why I'm trying to bring it to your guys' attention. And if you guys like this video, please smash the like button. Comment down below. Share the video everywhere. If I win and you win, we all win. And I want to know if you guys think this could be a winner. I really do. Online networks fueling the growth of esports. Huge gaming networks such as Enthusiast Gaming are best positioned to cash in on the upcoming esports investment rush. Online gaming communities form the most crucial link within the esports ecosystem. These networks are to esports what the nation's sports bars and living rooms are to the NFL and MLB, serving as a crucial hub for the growth of a real community while propelling the esports engine, driving the popularity of games such as Fortnite. Let's take professional sports as an analogy. A first-time viewer watching a baseball game, for instance, may have no notion of what's happening. Fans and enthusiasts are an outgrowth of a real community of passionate people, sharing their love and discussing strategies and techniques with the internet. Gamers now visit these forums and websites to get research on how to play the game better. It's true. They go on YouTube to figure out how to cheat and how to win on Fortnite, finding like-minded peers to share their enthusiasm and build an authentic community. These days, Gen X, millennial, and post-millennial gamers frequent popular media sites such as Destructoid, Daily Esports, Operation Sports, and the EGHIF, all owned by Enthusiast Gaming, or on Twitch, a streaming network that Amazon purchased back in 2014 for $1 billion. Within these networks, gaming enthusiasts become a part of a wider community, sharing their passion for video games while discussing tips and strategies. This is why companies like Enthusiast Gaming, who understands the value of building a network, have positioned themselves at the forefront of the video gaming market. I mean, jeez. This could be so big. I'd like to know what you guys think, man. I don't know. I don't want to keep going, but I just thought I had to bring it to you guys. You know, we're always talking about cannabis stocks, but at the end of the day, we need to always be looking at whatever can make us money. And if this stock one day is going to be worth $40 and we can get in at $1, I just want to do it. So, you know, I don't know. This is what I'm thinking right now. This is one of the sites that we just talked about there, Destructoid. People go here for tips on gaming. So there's so much I'm learning about this, and being a parent and having kids and seeing how big gaming is for kids nowadays, teenagers, millennials, and even adults, I just see so much potential. It's the same type of potential I see with cannabis, because I know a lot of people are going to use cannabis and they're going to use CBDs. So I know people are going to keep gaming. And now that they're making it easier for people to do, they're making it free, and more people are doing it, I just see so much potential. And you can see the growth. The growth is right there. Like, look at these photos, look at the statistics. Like, the growth is staggering. It's massive. Like, these huge events, and people are actually making money that are good gamers. Like, look at this. Over the past few years, the gaming industry has racked up some impressive windfalls for investors, as well as for brands such as Nvidia, Take-Two, and China's Tencent. And yet, we may still be witnessing the tip of the gaming iceberg. According to GameScape, approximately 39% of the total US gaming audience are in the coveted and hard-to-market 25 to 34-year-old age range, while 61% of 18-plus viewers earn over and above average $50,000 a year. Not surprising, then, that advertising and sponsorship dollars are pouring into the gaming industry, and the increases are accelerating every year. I mean, this is crazy. So the numbers speak for themselves. More importantly still, Newzoo says the average revenue per enthusiast is currently $3.64, which pales in comparison with average revenue per NBA fan, for instance, which is $15. This figure is expected to rise to $6.60 by 2021, an increase of over 80%. So as these gamers are growing up and making more money, they're going to have more money to pour into gaming. And that's why a lot of people are starting to pour money into gaming. And that's why I really think that this is going to be an industry that I want to follow. And I want to start to kind of claim right now. You know what I mean? I just want to claim it right now. Yeah, there's some stocks that are just exploding right now. Congratulations if you guys have taken advantage of natural shrimp. It's clearly just gone berserk. Totally insane. So that is the beauty of investing. Every day you have a chance to find the next big winner. And here we are talking about Enthusiast Gaming Holdings Inc., which I believe has a chance to be a massive winner. And I brought it to you guys first, and it is up now again today, 14%. Thank you guys for watching. This is your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're not watching. Enthusiast Gaming Holdings Inc., making moves, expanding into America, in an industry where billionaires are making moves. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. This is your boy Rich. If you're not winning, you're not watching. What do you guys think? Enthusiast Gaming, is it a winner? I think so. In fact, I think so much that I have a song for this. And we need to kind of leave on this song. It's very important that we leave with the right energy. We have to leave with the right energy. You gotta wake up.
About Chris Parry, TSXV. I was talking about I ain't this and what they gon' be. It was BBO. We gave you all the answers. TRST shit, you know it's cancerous. Don't forget about Africa. We brought you in the harvest, but why you hate on the kick? Shit.
Enthusiast Gaming Holdings at 85 cents in America. $1.14 in Canada.
January shit is popping now. Rolling up some good in a backwood. Yeah, we puffin' clouds. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Bow down, I ain't a hater like you. Bow down to a greater trader than you. Let's go. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full alert, it's full alert. Let me take you to the future with ACB on top and Africa right next to that shit in the second slot. I'm like Jordan in his prime, shooting with Pippen, making money all the time, fucking with some man. Chris Bottles ain't going nowhere. You know it's gaining hype, and if you ain't watching, you ain't winning. It's time to say goodnight. Cena with the fever, that shit diva, just sweep the heater. You can leave it with Beaver. I don't fuck with the non-believers. Fire in my pocket, make my way up to Supreme. If you bet on this company, then you gon' make some cream. SOI, I got lots of that. It's about to pop it fat. I ain't gotta stop the rap and tell you that you copping that. Vivo, I got it in my speedo. I'm supposed to eating burritos or dropping on some Cheetos. You know, I'm like hip. You gotta buy that shit. It's the new strike on these haters in the midst of get you hate. Yeah. Full alert, full alert, full alert. Full alert, full